Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by selecting the cells you will populate. Change format to text when you want exact input, or to number for math-ready values. This prevents Excel from auto-converting. Next, disable auto-correct entries that turn 1/2 into fractions if that breaks your data. Once done, click a single cell and type a leading apostrophe if you need to force text for one entry. Make sure to confirm the format status in the status bar before continuing, so later steps behave predictably. Now you type your numbers. If preserving leading zeros matters, start with an apostrophe, for example 0123. Excel stores it as text but shows 0123. To avoid cell-level quirks, click the edit bar and type there for precise input. When entering the same value across a selected range, press Ctrl+Enter to fill all chosen cells at once. Once done, scan a few cells to ensure format's held. If you format it as number, make sure decimal places and separators match your intent. Finish by verifying that numbers behave how you need. Perform a simple sum to confirm arithmetic works. If some entries are text, convert them using paste special multiply by 1 or the value function. Then reapply number format to restore numeric features like sorting and calculations. If things go wrong, check for hidden leading apostrophes, Excel data validation, or mismatched regional separators. Make sure to save a copy before mass changes so you can undo without losing original inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.